another episode of Cooking Belly. And today we are going to cook another very simple recipe. It's macaroni soup. And for this macaroni soup, we will be using, of course, a macaroni pasta. I'm gonna use the elbow macaroni pasta for this. And then, of course, we'll be using some oil. Any cooking oil would do. And then we have our minced garlic. And then we have our finely chopped onions. And then we have some carrots, sliced carrots. And then we have some sliced cabbage. And then we have some sliced celery stalk. This is very optional. If you don't like celery, if you don't like the aroma that it gives to your food, you can eliminate celery. And then, of course, we have this Hungarian sausage. Normally, we're using chicken, but since I don't have chicken, I'm gonna use this. And I always like this with my macaroni soup as well. And then we have some evaporated milk. Any evaporated milk brand would do. Then we have some salt and pepper, and then water. And then that's it. It's very simple, very easy, very fast to cook recipe. Okay, so let's start cooking, cookers. So we have already turned on the fire, and we just need to hit our pot for a while, and then we can already add our oil. Let's add our oil. Then now we can already add our white onions. This is actually white onions. And now let's add our minced garlic. Then we can already add our Hungarian sausage. Let's just cook the sausage for a while. Smells good already. Just with onions and garlic and then the sausage. It smells good. Let's just saute the sausage for a while. Now look at our sausage. Starting to be cooked. And now we can already add some water. Then let's add our macaroni pasta. Let's wait for it to boil. Let's check our macaroni soup. It's already boiling. So all we have to wait is for the pasta to be cooked. So yeah, here. And then we can already add some salt. Then let's add some pepper. And more pepper. Okay. Then we can already add our celery stalk. Then our carrots. Then let's add our cabbage. that, it's already very colorful. And it's time to add our milk. So depending on how you want it to be, like how flavorful, how milky you want it to be, how creamy you want it to be, that's the amount of milk that you want to add. I want it a little bit creamy. I want it a little bit milky, so I want more milk. Look at that. Ooh. This is now our macaroni soup. Look at that. It smells good, and let me also taste it. It's hot, so you have to be careful. I think I want a little bit more milk. More milk, more cream, macaroni, pasta. And yes, this should be ready to be served. This is ready to be served. All right. Look at that. It's very beautiful, very colorful, and very nutritious. Look at this one. Very yum. And now my favorite part, eating time. Time to eat what we have cooked. So good. So yes, cookers, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you. Bye.